Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Huawei Band 10, and on this video, we are going to explore one of its smart feature, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. As you can see here, we have this functionality. With this feature, you can control the music on your phone. You can play, pause, go forward, go backward, as well as adjust the volume of the music or the audio on your phone or video. On this video review, we are going to explore this and we'll see if it works with the popular applications such as the built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. So if you are interested to see on how the Bluetooth music works with the Huawei Band 10, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth music control function of the Huawei Band 10. We are already paired with the support app, Huawei Health. As you can see here, we are connected. And we are checking the options for the music control function, and seems like it's only one here. We do have the music playback control, so we already activated it. There's no other options aside from this one. Okay, so I guess all we have to do is just open the built-in music player here, then activate the music control function on the Huawei Band 10. And as you can see here, we have the title, Just Relax. Okay, and let's see if we can adjust the volume here. Okay, let's change. Yes, then let's see, play, connecting. So we can hear now the sound. Next. So over the horizon. As you can see here, the title changes. Pause. Go back. Go back. Seems a bit slow. As you can see here, it is showing the connecting. Go back. Okay, we cannot go to the deeper meaning. Okay, so it's a bit slow, but so far it works. Adjust the volume, decrease the volume. Next song. Stop. Okay, as you can see here, it works with our built-in music player. You can go forward, backward, play, and pause. Next, let's have the Spotify application. To avoid any copyright issues, we'll adjust the volume here. We'll mute it. Then, let's open the Spotify app. Okay, it's loading. And let's see. We have here the Billionaire. Play. Okay, the title here changes, as you can see. So it works. Then next, night changes. Okay. Next, Fat, Juicy, and Wet. So it works. Next, Runaway Baby. Pause. Play. Next, Bye Bye Bye. So it works here with the Spotify. Unfortunately, we cannot increase the volume to avoid any copyright issues. Stop. Okay, so it works with Spotify app. Next, let's try the YouTube application. So let's wait for it to load. So we have this documentation here. I guess, as you can see here, We do have the title, very good. It loads right away.
Lost below the waves.
Stop. Play.
Until now.
Next.
Choose Similac Game School. Supports faster brain connections for faster learning.
Okay, we have an ad here. Let's wait for it to finish. Adjust the volume.
Under the seas off northern Europe.
Adjust
a
the volume.
Lost graveyard
Stop. Play.
of mega warships.
Next. Go back.
Great Lakes. These massive inland sea yard of mega warships. They were the H-bombs of the era.
Okay, so as you can see here, it changes the title here in real time, and it is, so far the response for the YouTube app is fast. You can see the title here, and you can see the name of the channel, National Geographic. Okay, so far so good with our YouTube app. It works, and you can easily control the music or the YouTube app on the phone. The only issue here is that the icon here is very small, so it seems like it's hard to adjust the volume. Okay, then next, let's have the YouTube app, YouTube Music. Okay, I already muted the sound. Okay, let's listen to the Hotel California. Okay, adjust the volume. Next. Okay, so it works. Next. Yes. Stop. Play. Pause. Next song. Connecting. Go back. Next. 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 Pause. Okay. So it works also with the YouTube Music application. So far, I like the music control function of the Huawei Band 10. We did not encounter any issues, except that it's a bit slow. I think it may be due to our phone, as other devices is using the Bluetooth connectivity. But when it comes to compatibility, so it works with the built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and the YouTube Music. So that's it for our video demo for the Bluetooth music control function. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe.